Okay, MacBook Air 15-inch unboxing. Now I decided to go ahead and pick this one up. So it's kind of cool for Apple to come out with a 15-inch version of this laptop. So as you know, there's the MacBook Air, the 13-inch model, and they got the MacBook Pros, which is 14 and 16, but there is no 15-inch model, kind of like back in the day with the older MacBook Pros, right? The size for the people that want a bigger screen, but not necessarily want to go to the Pro model. Went ahead and picked one up. This is the box, as you can see. This big old box, got that warning label there for the battery. All right, so I'm just gonna get into this MacBook Air 15-inch unboxing. Let's go. I don't think I need a knife here. They make it kind of easy nowadays to, you know, unbox stuff. So yeah, open this up, and then as you can see, this is the box. Now I did go ahead and go with the midnight colorway. So you can see MacBook Air, which based on what I've seen in other videos and pictures, there's a slight tinge of like a blue in it, but we'll check it out. Go ahead and put the packaging away. Let's see, just throw that to the side for right now. And then here is the Air. MacBook Air 15-inch 2023. So you can see, I'm gonna flip the box over. And then there you go. This is the specs that I bought. 8 gigs, 256 gigabytes, SSD, 15-inch MacBook Air with the Apple M2 chip, $12.99 from the Apple Store. Although if you go to B&H right now, I think they have this $100 off. So I'll go ahead and link those in the description down below for you guys. So, I mean, yeah, let's just get into it. Now, where are the, let's see, the pull tabs. So you can see. Go ahead and just, you know, kind of pull that. I'm gonna pull this one also on the bottom. And here we go. All right, let me get this thing. All right. MacBook Air 15-inch, and there it is. Got this tab, I'm gonna pull it out. And then in the packaging, you get the your cable here to charge, which is color matched to the laptop. Now, I do kind of wish that they made, where is it now? Yeah, this end right here, kind of like, you know, color match with a cable, but honestly, no big deal. Put that to the side. And then here we have a design by Apple in California. And we'll take a real quick look at the documentation here. Everything else in here? No, I think that's it. Got the MacBook Air here. Honestly, do people still read this stuff? Oh no. Have a look at that. And then get the Apple decals here. Again, to color match the laptop. Pretty nice backing there from Apple. That's cool. Okay, I'm just gonna put that to the side. And then here, I went ahead and just opted with the just the 35-watt charger that it came with. Now, if you want, you can get the 70-watt charger free of charge, essentially, if you go ahead and pick that option online. This is what this looks like. I do like how you get the 2 USB there, so you can charge more than one device. So that is, you know, nice of them. Cool. I'm gonna go ahead and put all this to the side. Let's see. I'm just gonna throw it over here somewhere. Get back to the laptop. And here we go. Gonna undo this very carefully. Pull it out. And ooh, this is a very nice color. Certain angles it looks black. On other angles, the ever so slight tinge of like a navy blue. I'm gonna flip it over. Yeah, that's a nice color. Very nice, very clean, although I can already see, oh boy, this is gonna be a fingerprint magnet for sure. All right, I'm gonna put this other stuff away. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and open the laptop, and I'm pretty sure that it's just gonna boot up right away. So let's see what happens here. And as I expected, I'm gonna take the wax paper out. And there she is. 15-inch for the 2023 year. Let's see. Have a look at that. Hello. Nice. Now we'll go ahead and check out the keyboard real fast. feels good. Keyboard feels really good. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and set this up real fast. I'm gonna choose English. I'll see you in a second.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Yes, ma'am. So the new 15-inch MacBook Air has the 8-core M2 chip, has a 10-core GPU. This particular model has 8 gigabytes of RAM. However, you can configure the laptop to have 16 or 24 gigabytes of RAM. The new 15-inch MacBook Air has a 15.3-inch IPS type LCD display with an aspect ratio of 16:10 and a max resolution of 2880 by 1864. This display can get up to 500 nits of brightness, but you are limited to 60 Hz. This is where the webcam is housed in the notch on top of the display. If they could have done this without the notch, in my opinion, that would have been much better. Now, this webcam is of pretty good quality. It can film up to 1080p. The 15-inch MacBook Air has 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports, which are also USB 4. This laptop does have a headphone jack, which is nice to see. The new Air does have 6 built-in speakers and a subwoofer. However, at first glance, you can't really see it. The speaker ports are hidden behind the keyboard underneath the display. Let's go ahead and hear a sound test. The new Air does come with the newer keyboard now, which feels good to type on. I liked it. The laptop does come with a fingerprint reader. Here's the demo of the Touch ID. It worked pretty well. The packaging does come stock with a 35-watt power supply with MagSafe with the dual USB-C ports. However, you do have the option to upgrade to a 70-watt if you so choose. The 15-inch Air does only weigh in at about 3.3 pounds, which is nice if you do travel a lot. Not as heavy as the MacBook Pros, especially the 16-inch versions. So let me know in the comments below if you're going to pick up the 15-inch MacBook Air. Are you going to upgrade from an older Air? Are you contemplating whether to get this model or perhaps a 14-inch MacBook Pro? In my opinion, it depends on your use case. If you're a video creator, if you do a lot of video editing, if you do a lot of editing in Lightroom, for example, if you create a lot of content, you edit a lot of content, I would say consider going towards the MacBook Pros, as those machines have more power, they have more ports, they have better displays. However, if you're more of a light user, you check emails, you browse the web, you consume media, then the MacBook Air might be the best option for you. Anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.